Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open and locate your application store in your iOS device. Once here, wait for App Store to finish loading. Once done, use the search bar on the bottom right. In here, you're going to search for Instagram. Once done, hit on enter. Now locate Instagram. Once you find it, update first your Instagram application by clicking on the update button. Go ahead, update your Instagram. I'll be here waiting. Once done, close your app store and open Instagram. In here, tap on your profile on the bottom right. This one over here. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. This will lead you to settings. First click this one, then click on the gear icon that says settings. In here, scroll down and then look for account. Once you tap account, scroll down once again. In here, you are going to switch your account type. Now switch over to personal account. In here, tap on switch to personal account. Once done, go back to account once again. In here, you're going to switch your account once again. Make sure you're switched to a professional account. In here, just click continue. Continue once again. And then here, choose what to display on your profile or what best describes you. Once done, just click on done. And in here, choose either a creator or a business. Once satisfied, click on next. And now, it should show that you completed your profile. It should have a green check mark. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.